Good afternoon.
Afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too, thank you. Okay, my name is Seha, and what is your name?
My name is Hong Ji.
Okay, Hong Ji, how old are you?
I'm 42.
Okay, and where are you from?
I'm from Cambodia.
And where do you live?
I live in Kampong Nang Province.
And who do you live with?
I live with my family.
Okay, and where do you study English?
I study in English at private international school.
Good job. And what is your favorite color?
Color is
Red, orange, yellow, pink. Which one?
blue.
Blue, right? Okay, and what is your favorite fruit?
Fruit is apple.
Apple, good job. And what is your favorite animal?
Horse.
Horse, right? Okay, good. Hong Chi, what is your mother name?
My name is Mom.
And what is your father name?
Father name is Vanna.
And nowadays, who do you study with?
Study with her hai teacher with me.
Good job. And do you love your teacher?
I do.
Okay. And do you love your family?
I do.
And do you love your classmates?
I do.
Okay. And what is your nationality?
My nationality is Cambodia.
Okay, and what is your mother tongue?
My tongue is mine.
Okay, good. Hong Chi, now I want you to count about a number, okay? Count from number 1 until number 20. Can you count number? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3.
1 lệch 2 lệch 3 lệch 3 4 lệch 4 5 lệch 5 6 lệch 1 7 lệch 8 lệch 7 9 lệch 4 10 lệch 11 lệch 11 12 lệch 13 lệch 14 lệch 4 15 lệch 5 16 lệch 5 17 lệch 6 18 lệch 1 19 lệch 4 20 lệch 15.
Okay, good job. Clap your hand for yourself.
Say goodbye. Bye, teacher.